Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Leslie D. Tuck, and I am your best friend and self-confidence advocate, and I'm gonna be doing an Adore Me haul today. I actually received this package a couple days ago, and I want to be fully transparent with you guys. This was a gifted package. I received a gift card as a thank you from Adore Me, so thank you guys so much for giving me that gift card. So I didn't purchase this with my own money, and I like to give that disclaimer because some people don't like to watch reviews that are gifted. So with full transparency, I just want to let you guys know that this was a gifted package. I am so excited for this haul because it's not gonna be lingerie. Can you believe that? It's gonna be sportswear. I have been playing tennis and I realized I have not bought anything sports related, like leggings, sports bras, in like years. So it was time to upgrade, and I've never tried the products from Adore Me. I think I had 2 workout outfits and 1 loungewear outfit. So these are regular clothes. As you can see, I haven't even opened it yet. It's my first impression. What is this? I don't even know what this is. Did I get a lingerie set too? It's a medium. So this definitely was an accident. This was not supposed to be sent in my package, but whatever. I'll give it to someone who is a medium. I don't know. This all makes sense here though. Okay. My favorite thing about Adore Me is that they have sets that come together, but they also have products that you can buy one at a time. So the loungewear set that I got came together, which is so cool. But yeah, I'm about to play tennis at 3 o'clock. So I only have like an hour, so let's get into this haul. If you like these type of videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that we can see all my fire videos, period. All right, so let's get into the first outfit. The common thing about all these outfits is that everything's green. So first up is this. It looks more yellow, but I got these green leggings. They have like some white details. They have pockets on the side. And then this matching sports bra looks more yellow than green, but whatever, I still like it. I will make sure to put the sizes of each of these products in the description box. This looks to be a 2XL. Last time I got a 3XL with Adore Me, it was it was like a bralette and it was too big, like I was drooping. So I was like, let me go down a size because I don't want to not have any support, right? So this is the first outfit from Adore Me. Let me tear this tag off. I got armpit hair. Ew. Please excuse the armpit hair, y'all. Like, I have a laser appointment on Friday. All right, so this is the first outfit with Adore Me. This is the back. I'm gonna just, all right. The leggings are a little bit see-through. I can see that my pattern through the pants. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you can kind of see the giraffe. The cups make no sense. Like, they're so prominent that it doesn't make any sense to keep them in. So I'm gonna take them out. And I guess my nipples are just gonna have to show, because my nipples don't stay where these cups are anyway. Like, it just doesn't matter. So this is what it's looking like. So there is a seam right here that is gonna go under your breast, and then there's material that lays flat on your stomach. This is it from the back. It's actually really comfortable. I low-key wish I would have gotten a 1X, but the only thing is that if I get a 1X, my chest won't fit it. But if I go up a size to 2X, it's gonna fit like this, where it has more room for my chest, but it's not a lot of support, right? If that makes sense. But the fit is cute. It's so comfortable, material so smooth. It's good quality material for sure. Comment below what you guys think of this first outfit. All right, so I got another workout set. It is again green. So these are really cute. It has the detail on the side. It has the AM on the back, period. I love the color. This is the color I thought this was gonna be. But this looks more like a yellow, which I'm not mad at it. Yellow works for me. And then this is the matching sports bra with the same matching detail on the side. Cute. I feel like this is gonna be a lot more supportive. Let's see. I love the color. I love the way it feels. It's super comfortable. I even like the detail on the side. I like that the bottom and the top matches in detail with the yellow crisscrosses. I really do love it. The only thing is that I do have some side boob here. So if you do have a smaller chest, this might work out a little bit better for you. And then also because there's this seam that cuts right here, it cuts like right where my chest is. I think the idea is that this is supposed to lay flat under and your boobs are supposed to lay on top of it, but because I'm so bust heavy, it doesn't work like that. I like that it's a corset style top. Like, it's mad cute, I'm not even gonna lie. There is mesh on the legs for some breathing room, and there's also mesh on the side here where the crisscrosses are. So my favorite thing about it is the colors. The straps are not adjustable, keep that in mind. But yeah, I'm always gonna have problems with my bust. I'm always gonna have like either side boob or over boob. It has like, it's very much for light impact working out. It's not for crazy impact working out at all. Very light impact sports bra or sports shirt. But yeah, very light impact. If you plan on running around a lot, not it. But if you're gonna do like some weightlifting, if you're gonna do the Stairmaster, low impact, walking around, it's a vibe and it's really cute, and it's actually giving me a confidence boost. And I always look for things that make me feel confident so I could perform better, because the better you look, the better you feel, the more results you get. All right, so let's get into the next thing. It's supposed to be for, it's like a cover up, like a little jacket. Let's see what it looks like on. Oh, is this supposed to be cropped? I'm curious now. Maybe I should have went up a size on this, but it's mad cute. Oh my god, I love it. I don't think that this is supposed to be so high up, so maybe I should have went to a 2X. But let's see how it fits on the girlies online. Let's see. Here it is. Oh no, it's supposed to be like that. So the seam on this comes right on the model's boob. I will put it in I'll take a screenshot and make sure I post it. But yeah, it fits how it's supposed to fit. The seam actually does come up to the middle of the chest. You can zip it all the way up if you want. I probably would never do that because I already feel claustrophobic. But this is actually really cute, and it's gonna be great for tennis for when it starts to like cool down a little bit, because I'm playing tennis until the end of October. But it's really lightweight, very, very lightweight. It's cute. This matches the yellow detail here. So this is a vibe I love. I can actually see myself wearing this, the first outfit as well with this. So it has the little Adore Me logo right there. Actually, I like this. Yeah, this is a vibe. I'm obsessed with this one. Y'all should all get this. I think this is so cute. Last but not least, I did get one loungewear set. I clearly wanted clothes. Like, lingerie is cool, it's good, but I have so many bras and so many underwear that fit me so well that I just wanted to try something different. And I'm actually really glad I went this route because I'm happy with everything that I got. So let's see what this loungewear set is hitting for. If you made it all the way to this part of the video, thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up because it helps other people to get visibility on the video. You reacting to this video helps other people see it. It will pop up on their feed, and if not, it will just kind of die with the rest of the billions of YouTube videos. So only if you like it. If you hate it, thumbs down it, it's fine. But I hope that this video is helpful to maybe big busty people, or maybe you're just not feeling confident in workout gear and you're just trying to find workout clothes that are good for your body type. Then I just hope that I help you in some way, because like I said, when you look good, you feel good. Like I said, I have an obsession with green. I don't know what it is. I'm obsessed with green these days. So I actually left the sports bra on because I don't have a bra anywhere around me right now. Like, I don't even know where my bralette went. So I just kept the sports bra on so you guys can see what it looks like. But this is so cute. I love it. I love that this is tight at the bottom. They're lightweight, so they're not winter pajamas or winter loungewear. They're definitely giving spring fall for sure. I can see myself wearing this around the house. I love the detail in the front. It's so cute. Cute color, comfortable vibes. There's no pockets, but they fit perfect. They're like, this is like the perfect loungewear set for sure. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Like I said, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to this amazing channel, don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that way you could be notified for all my fire videos. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for your love and support, and comment below if there's any videos or hauls or brands you would like me to review. And I will see you in my next video. Peace.